Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with BNZ. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the oil price was down overnight. It's near $75 a barrel. That's because US inventories rose, and there are concerns that a slowdown in global growth will reduce demand for oil. Meanwhile, General Motors filed papers for its initial public offering in the United States. This is a share market float. Remember, General Motors, which only a few years ago was the world's biggest car maker, went bankrupt and was taken over by the US government. Now they're putting it back onto the market for public ownership. Is that a sign of recovery? Well, US stock markets were a little bit unclear about that. The stocks, for the Dow at least, and the S&P 500 were pretty flat overnight. Although interestingly, they fell sharply on the futures market after the close. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs has predicted that the Chinese economy will be bigger than the US economy by 2027 at its current growth rates. 17 years, that's not too far off. And finally, Eric Watson of Hanover Finance fame is having problems in America too. His clothing chain, American Apparel, looks likely to file for bankruptcy within a few weeks. A key deadline there is September 30. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with BNZ.